Hello all, myself Soumya KS, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Commerce, GFGC Paramsagara. In this video, we shall discuss about few provisions relating to winnings from different kinds of games. As we already discussed, income from winnings from lotteries, crossword puzzle, horse race, card game and any other kind of games or any kind of gambling, betting of any nature is taxable under the head income from other sources. There are few provisions relating to these winnings. They are, first one, as per section 58 subsection 4, gross winnings from lotteries, crossword puzzle, race, card games and other games should be chargeable to tax, not the individual. We consider gross winnings, means we have to add up all those winnings, and the entire income without deduction of any expenditure or allowance will be taxable. Means you cannot deduct any kind of expenditure for winning from lotteries or crossword puzzles or races. The entire income is taxable. And the deduction under section 80C to 80U are also not allowed from such income. The deduction is allowable only for other incomes other than these winnings. Then few other provisions are, tax will be deducted at source, means TDS will be made for these incomes. Before giving those income to the assessee, the person who pays that money will deduct the tax from the source, and the TDS rate is 30% for all these winnings or games from various kind of sources. That is, if the amount or winnings from any kind of these games that exceeds 10,000, then only TDS will be made. If that winning from lottery, if it exceeds 10,000, or from the crossword puzzle, if it exceeds 10,000, then only TDS will be made at the rate of 30%. Otherwise, there will be no TDS and no tax. But while computing total income, such tax deducted at source has to be included in the respective income. It means usually ಈಗ income from crossword puzzle ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ 10,000 ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 30% TDS ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3,000 ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 7,000 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಸೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅವನ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ should not show only the net income. He has to gross it up. ಅದನ್ನ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೇಟರ್ ವೈಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ರೇಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಡ್ ಎಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 30%. And at the time of making payment of tax, that will be deducted because TDS ಏನು ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ he is required to pay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ 10,000 ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದೆ, ವಿನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇದೆ 10,000 ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ TDS 30% ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ 10,000 ಅಬೌಟ್ 10,000 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20,000 ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದ್ರೆ 6,000 and 30% of 20,000, that is 6,000 will be TDS ಮಾಡಿ only 14,000 will be given to the person or the assessee. At the time of calculation of total income, he has to gross it. The grossing in the sense that 20,000 again ಅವನಿಗೆ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, that is 14,000 into the amount he has received is only 70%, not the 100%. That is 70 divided 70 only has received, is it? So we have to convert it into 100. Then 100 divided by 70 if you do, you will get 20,000. That is the grossing up. Next, all the winnings from different games are part of the total income of the assessee and they are taxable at a special rate, that is 30%, and for that of course health and education cess will be added. For further reference, you can refer these textbooks and website. Thank you.